As part of Kentucky's Severe Weather Awareness Week, the annual statewide tornado drill is today. Officials say it will take place this morning at 10:07. According to officials, during the drill, the National Weather Service will issue a test tornado message warning that will activate weather alert radios. Lexington Emergency Management will also activate its network of outdoor warning sirens with a siren WAIL. Officials say everyone is encouraged to practice tornado safety actions at home, school, or work.